Hi, I'm Miss Mazan, and this is
Professor Mazon.
Professor Mazon, and we are going to do what, Professor
Learn
Mazon?
about masks.
Yes. Okay.
I am gonna teach you how to wear a mask. See these? Put them around your ear so that it's shut.
So he put it around his ear, and it holds it on. Notice the mask, hold still, Zach, or Professor Mazon. Notice the mask is covering his nose and his mouth, and it's fitting around his face. You don't want a lot of space around the sides because air and viruses are more likely to get in there. You want it kind of not too tight, but just tight enough. Now there are some masks that go all the way around. Those are good too. Okay. Zackie's wearing a mask, and some people wear masks like this. Zackie, what would be wrong if I wore a mask like this? Am I protecting myself, Zackie?
No, you're not even protecting your neck. Well, you won't, but no air can get inside of your neck.
So, what Zackie's saying is, what's the point of protecting your neck? Air can't get in there, okay? The coronavirus is an airborne disease, and airborne diseases can go through your nose and through your mouth when you're breathing, okay? And that is how you can become infected. So you see people, I'm wearing a mask, they're not safe. You gotta bring it up. What about this, Zackie? Am I safe? Am I safe now?
No.
Why
You
not?
gotta cover your nose.
You gotta-
Because air can still get through your nose.
You gotta cover your nose because air can still get through your nose. Okay? So I see a lot of people going around like this. I'm safe, I'm wearing a mask. That's not gonna work. You gotta cover your nose. Okay? What about this, Zackie?
Professor Nathan.
Does this work? Maybe not. Another thing, when you're taking off your mask, you want to grab it like I'm wearing it right. You want to grab it like this. Okay? Don't touch your face with your hand. You grab it like this and you pull. Boop. Did I touch my face with my hands? No. Your hands can have the virus on them too, because although the virus is airborne, you have saliva in your mouth. And so the virus can get on your saliva, and it can also be droplet. And droplets can get on stuff that you touch. And if you take a droplet that was stuck on someone was talking or sneezed onto a doorknob or something, and then you start touching your face, scratching, you can get the virus there. All right. If you notice, I'm not wearing a mask right now. That's because there's no one in this room except Zackie / Professor Mazon. Zackie, we live together every day. Do we need to wear masks around each other? No, so you can probably take that off right now, huh? Because whatever sicknesses I have, Zackie's gonna get, and whatever he has, I'm gonna get. Unless you know that someone's sick in your house, you don't need to wear a mask. Excuse me, sir. Okay, so Zackie's not sick, I'm not sick, we live together. We're fine. I don't have to wear a mask around my son Zackie unless I know he's sick or unless I know I'm sick. All right, we're gonna do a little experiment. And we're gonna use a scientific method, which we'll go over later. Observation, what have you observed using your 5 senses? Okay, about a mask. What is it? What do you see, Zackie?
Blue.
It's blue. What else?
Strings.
It has strings. Can air go through here?
No.
Well, some air can.
Yes, but it can't go through your nose because it can't go mine.
What about droplets?
Yes, they can drop.
No, droplets can't go through here. Well, actually, we don't know.
Yeah.
That brings us to the next step in the scientific method. After your observations, it's your question. Question, can droplets go through the mask? That's a question that we're going to answer. Our hypothesis. What's your hypothesis? That's what you think. If you wear a mask, then do you think droplets will go through? Yes or no?
Maybe yes, if it's not thick and a lot of things can go through it, and no.
What about this specific mask? Do you think that droplets can go through here?
Well, no, it can't, but paper masks, like this kind of paper, droplets can go through.
Maybe. We're just going to talk about this surgical mask right now, though. We're going to just see. So if you wear a mask, then droplets won't go through. That's your if-then statement, which is your hypothesis. Now our experiment is going to be as follows. We're going to take this, Zachy, I want you to tape a piece of paper up here, right there. Boom. And Zachy, we're going to do another sheet of paper right here. Put this one up on this side. Okay?
Boom.
This will be our experiment. What we're going to do is we're going to spray paint this. Are we going to put a mask on this paper right here, Zachy?
Yes.
No, this is going to be our control. Okay? So Zachy, go ahead. Zachy gets to spray paint the board. He's so happy. So go ahead and spray paint that. And this is as if, he thought he was going to get to it. This is as if I am sneezing. Achoo! And this would be like the droplets coming out of my mouth. Let's see how many droplets, when I sneeze, get on that paper. Don't miss. You want to spray it forward. Okay, spray it straight. Right there. Did my sneeze get on there? Turn around, look at the camera, Zachy. Did my sneeze get on there, Zachy?
What?
Well, yeah, it's right there. It's the orange. Yeah. So, if someone was standing right there, they would get all that virus on them. And say you sneezed again. Achoo! 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 There's a lot on there. Now, let's see what happens if I were to be wearing a mask. Let's tape this up here. One side on this side. And let's tape something right here. Okay, so your mouth is right in this mask. And let's see if droplets can get through the mask. I'm going to spray this one, Zachy. Achoo! 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 Let's see if any droplets got on the white sheet of paper. No droplets got on the white sheet. All right, as you can see, which one worked better? Without the mask or with the mask, Zachy?
With the mask.
So it was much better with the mask. So that would be our results. So our conclusion is either we accept or reject our hypothesis. Our hypothesis was if you wear a mask, you will not get as much of you will not transmit as much as the virus. Okay? So, do you accept that conclusion, Zachy? You accept that hypothesis? Masks help? Yeah. And I think the scientific evidence I've heard from a nurse at Yavapai College, her name is Selena Bliss, and she said masks cut down on 90% of the transmission. So, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed our little experiment.